Meaning of enophile.
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 Enophile. An enophile is a person who has a strong interest in wine. They are avid enthusiasts of the wine industry and possess extensive knowledge about different varieties, vintages, and regions. Enophiles are also known for their refined palates and ability to identify subtle differences in taste and aroma. They often participate in tastings, collect rare and valuable bottles, and travel to various vineyards to experience the winemaking process firsthand. For enophiles, drinking wine is not just a hobby, but a passion and lifestyle that they truly enjoy and appreciate.